All right, so in this little short exercise we're going to be doing, we're going to be looking about how to build circuits. And this website you're going to go to is called Tinkercad.com. So you're going to go to Tinkercad.com. What this is, it's a virtual environment so that we can build circuits. Tinkercad allows you to build a lot of different maker type of experiments you can do. It has like a 3D modeling software. So if you want to do 3D printing, you can do 3D printing. It has like a simulator. So if you want to do an Arduino simulator, you can do Arduino. And then it also has a breadboarding piece. We're going to be using the breadboarding. I've broken up this video into a couple of different pieces. The reason we're going to do a breadboard is I want to have that be the connection that we're going to make with our hardware programming. I want an analogy to something that you might have physically done before. Some of you have used breadboards in analogs type of circuits classes. We connect resistors and transistors together. Some of you may have done it with digital components. If you haven't done either of those, this is going to be a quick refresher. So you're going to go to tinkercad.com and you're going to do sign up. You're going to make an account, create a personal account. Don't do the education thing. That's if I had created an account for everybody. I'm not doing that. So you're going to create your own personal account. To make your account, it's free. And then once you make your account, you'll sign in. And then you would get like a dashboard piece that will pop up. This dashboard is where you'll make your different components in here. We're going to do circuits. So when you're ready to create something, you go create a circuit. The circuits you have created, you'll have them already at the bottom of your dashboard. And then you can go and you can make your modifications to it. I broke up the video into a number of pieces. So you have this piece, which is the introduction piece. I'll have another video that kind of describes how breadboard works. And then a third video that will be this circuit here that's just two inputs, an AND gate, and an LED. All right, so again, we're not going to build physical circuits, but when I do the hardware description, I'm going to keep referring back to this item of a physical circuit. So it makes a connection to what we are physically building.